Hello, and welcome back to Backyard Oasis Inspo. When the sun sets, a garden doesn't have to go to sleep. Instead, it can awaken with a completely new personality, a secret life that only reveals itself after dark. This transformation, from a bright, sun-drenched space to an enchanting, intimate sanctuary, is all orchestrated by the artful use of light. Today, we're delving into the world of illumination as we explore creative lighting ideas for a cozy garden ambience. This is about more than just visibility. It's about painting with light and shadow to craft a mood, to evoke feelings of warmth, safety, and wonder. If you're ready to see your garden in a whole new light, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more inspiration. The fundamental philosophy behind creating a cozy lighting scheme is one of subtlety and suggestion. It's not about flooding the entire space with powerful, uniform light, which can feel harsh and clinical. Instead, it's about creating pockets of warmth and intrigue, guiding the eye and the spirit through the landscape. The goal is to mimic the most beautiful forms of natural light, the soft glow of twilight, the dappled patterns of moonlight filtering through leaves, or the gentle flicker of firelight. A well-lit garden feels magical because it leaves something to the imagination. The shadows are just as important as the illuminated areas, creating depth, mystery, and a sense of enclosure that contributes to the feeling of coziness. One of the most popular and effective ways to instantly introduce warmth and a celebratory mood is with string lights. Whether they are classic Edison bulbs casting a golden, vintage glow, or delicate fairy lights that seem to float in the air like captured fireflies, these lights create an overhead canopy of welcome. Draped through the branches of a tree, strung across a pergola, or tracing the line of a fence, they define a space, turning a simple patio or seating area into an outdoor room. They are the quintessential lighting for social gatherings, casting a flattering, gentle light on faces and encouraging long, relaxed conversations under the stars. Of course, lighting serves a practical purpose as well, and this is where pathway lighting comes in. But functional doesn't have to mean boring. The key to elegant path lighting is to provide just enough illumination to ensure safe passage without creating the feeling of an airport runway. Low-level stake lights, subtle bollards, or even lights recessed into the edges of a path can cast soft pools of light downwards, highlighting the texture of the walkway and the edges of adjacent garden beds. The journey from the back door to a secluded seating area becomes a gentle, guided experience, adding to the overall sense of a thoughtfully designed sanctuary. To create drama and highlight the natural beauty of your garden structure, uplighting is an unparalleled technique. By placing a light source at the base of a feature and angling it upwards, you can transform an ordinary object into a nighttime sculpture. A tree with interesting bark texture becomes a majestic pillar of light. A textured stone wall reveals all its intricate details. A dense cluster of ornamental grasses is turned into a fountain of glowing blades. Uplighting draws the eye, creates stunning silhouettes, and adds a vertical dimension to your garden after dark, making the space feel larger and more dynamic. The opposite of this technique, yet equally magical, is downlighting, often called moonlighting. This involves placing fixtures high up in mature trees, angled downwards. The effect is incredibly natural and subtle, mimicking the way true moonlight filters through the canopy. It creates a beautiful, dappled pattern of light and shadow on the ground below, a moving tapestry that shifts with the breeze. This is the essence of understated elegance, providing a soft, ambient light over a larger area without a visible, obvious source. It's the secret ingredient to making a garden feel truly enchanted and peaceful. We've talked about some of the core lighting techniques, from the festive glow of string lights to the subtle magic of moonlighting. Each one brings a unique feeling to the garden. Which of these lighting styles resonates most with you and your ideal backyard? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're enjoying our journey into garden design. Beyond these foundational methods, the true creativity comes from layering and mixing different types of light. Imagine a seating area under the warm canopy of string lights, while a nearby Japanese maple is beautifully uplit, creating a stunning focal point. A path leading to this area is gently illuminated by low-level lights, and in the background, a water feature has its own dedicated spotlight, highlighting the movement of the water. This layering approach, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting, is what gives a garden its richness and depth at night. We must also consider the unplugged elements that contribute so powerfully to a cozy atmosphere. The simple, timeless appeal of candlelight cannot be overstated. Grouping pillar candles of various heights inside large glass lanterns can create a captivating, flickering centerpiece on a table or mark the corners of a patio. The organic, dancing movement of a real flame is inherently calming and romantic. For a safer, more permanent solution, modern LED candles offer a remarkably realistic flicker without any of the worry, allowing you to place that warm glow anywhere you desire. The color temperature of your lights is a critical, though often overlooked, detail. For a truly cozy and inviting ambience, always opt for warm white light. This is the light that mimics candlelight and incandescent bulbs with a golden or yellowish hue. Cool white or blue-toned light can feel sterile and harsh in a garden setting, working against the goal of creating a relaxing, natural-feeling retreat. Many modern LED systems, including smart lighting, allow you to adjust the color temperature, giving you complete control over the mood. Ultimately, designing your garden's lighting is an act of personal expression. It's your chance to be a director, deciding what to reveal and what to conceal. It's an invitation to extend the hours you can enjoy your outdoor space, transforming it into a haven for quiet reflection on a solo evening or a warm, welcoming venue for hosting friends and family. By thoughtfully layering different sources of light, you don't just illuminate a garden. You give it a soul after sunset, crafting a personal, cozy oasis that beckons you outside long after the day is done. Thank you for joining us at Backyard Oasis Inspo. We hope you're feeling inspired to experiment with the lighting in your own garden. For more backyard design ideas and inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.